Most adults have nostalgic childhood story about the bike rides with no helmets, family car trips with no seatbelts, and other death-defying tales from their tougher generation in simpler and more dangerous times. Those who survived the occasional bump on the head with no negative outcome probably weren't tougher, just lucky. Head injuries can happen to children and adults, athletes and non-athletes during strenuous physical activity or simple slip or trip. The potential health effect of a brain injury could be devastating, ranging from a cognitive or motor impairment to the disability or death. Head injury is an injury to the scalp, skull, or brain and can result in traumatic brain injury. The most common type of head injury is a concussion, most often sustained during a sports activity. A concussion is actually a mild traumatic brain injury and happens when the brain is jarred or shaken hard enough to hit the side of the skull. Interestingly, a concussion doesn't always involve direct hit to the head. It can cause by impact to any part of the body that is hard enough to jar the brain. Concussion can be mild or severe and can temporarily or permanently affect the brain's function. Other brain injuries include concussion, contusion, a bruise and a swelling, a hematoma that can be bleeding from or a clot in the brain, and a skull fracture. If you or someone you know has suffered a bump to the head, please watch for these signs of brain injury. Headache or neck pain that do not go away, difficulty remembering and concentrating or making decisions, slowness in thinking, speaking, acting or reading, getting lost or easily confused, lack of energy or motivation, mood changes, feeling sad or angry for no reason, changes in sleep pattern, sleeping a lot more, or difficulty or having hard time sleeping, lightheadedness, dizziness or loss of balance, urge to vomit, increased sensitivity to lights, sounds or distraction, blurred vision or eye that tire easily, loss of sense of smell or taste, ringing in the ears. If you or loved one has any one of the above symptoms or traumatic brain injury is even slightly suspected, quick action is critical. Get medical help right away. Proceed to the nearest ER where the physician will administer a physical exam as well as test the visual, verbal, and motor skill. They may refer the patient to a brain injury specialist or use other diagnostic methods including X-ray or CAT scan to determine the nature of injury and appropriate treatment. I'm Dr. Akbar Ali, General Surgeon at Eastern New Mexico Medical Center and also Trauma Medical Director for Eastern New Mexico Medical Center for the last 15 years.